back to my tutorial series. Today we're going to be working in the pickups folder again, so you can open that up. And then we're going to make a blueprint class of actor. We're going to call this key pickup. We can go in there. And then just like the potion, we're going to need a static mesh, a sphere collision, and a text render. Text I'll set to pick up key with an E. Okay, I'll compile and I'll go to the event graph and get rid of the event tick and add event actor end overlap. And on event begin play, we're gonna cast to my character and pull off and say get player character as the object and promote it to a variable, and we'll call it player F for player reference. Okay, then we're going to copy this cast 2 times and plug them into the end overlap and begin overlap, and plug the other actor in as the object. And we're going to make another variable like we did in our potion. We're going to call this can pickup with 2 question marks to just differentiate a bit. Compile, and then we'll set it to true when we are overlapping, and when we aren't overlapping we'll set it to false. And then we're going to grab our text render, and we're actually going to go ahead and open up our pickup potion, and we're going to copy what we did over here for swapping everything around. So I'm going to just copy that stuff, so Control C, and I'll go to the key pickup and just copy it in. Then we'll set the visibility of our text render to true if we are overlapping and false if we are not. Okay, and then if we are overlapping we also want it to face us, so we are going to get our player reference and get the camera 1 and plug it into this world rotation, and plug our set text render into the set world rotation and plug that in like that. Okay, compile, and let's just see, we need to set our items enum, so we need to create that variable. We'll call this item enum and make it of type items enum, and compile and make it publicly editable, and we will get it, and we'll drag off our player reference and say set items enum, and we'll set it to this pickups items enum. Okay, so we'll compile, and then we'll create a custom event, and this event we'll call pickup key. Okay, and then off of pickup key we're going to need another variable, so we're going to make another variable called key enum, and we'll make it of type keys enum, and compile and set it to publicly editable and pull it out, and we're gonna switch on keys enum, and then we're gonna need to go into our character and create a couple of variables here. We're just gonna make them integers, so we're gonna make 4 integers. Just set that to an integer, and then we'll call them corresponding to our key name, so green, red, blue and yellow. Okay, so green key space at the end because it's going to be plural. So blue keys and red keys. Doesn't have to be in any particular order, but that'll do. Okay, all publicly editable, and I'll go back to our key pickup and we'll get our player reference. And what we're going to do is we'll get our green keys, get our red keys, get our blue keys, and get our yellow keys. And we also need to set them, so set yellow keys, set blue keys, set red keys, and set the green keys. Okay, so I'm sort of gonna get them in order here, something like that. And we're gonna do a minus integer, not time, so it's dark here, and we'll minus 1, so just like that. We'll just duplicate this minus integer 3 times for each of our variables. And green keys is at the top, so like that. And then red. Okay, and that's pretty much all that we're going to do. Might as well go one step ahead here and just destroy the actor here. So once we picked it up, we'll just destroy the actor. Okay, and that'll be our keys. We sort of need to make a way to show our keys still, but this should be working. We'll set the static mesh to the key sequencer. I quite like this thing. And I'll just make the sphere a bit bigger. We'll make the mesh a bit smaller. Let's rather do that. Oh wait, what happened? I deleted it by accident somehow. Bear with me. Okay, so I'm just going to make the mesh a bit smaller. We can sort of test this out. We can add a print string over here just to see that it's working. That's on the green key, so by default we'll set it to a green key. It's a key, it's a green key. Okay, and that should be all that we need to do. Here's the key. We haven't set it up in the character yet, so let's just head over to the character, and if we step on a key, then we're going to want to do this again, except we're going to cast to our key pickup. So cast to key pickup, object being the array element, and get can pickup, and do a branch and plug in the condition, and if it's true then we'll call pickup key, and that's all we'll do because we already destroyed the actor within there. Okay, I'm just gonna move this up a bit. We can have a look, see if this works. Okay, so when we go over it, we just need to set the native visibility of the text render to null, and then that'll work out. So yeah, we can pick it up now, and it minused 1. I don't know why I did a minus integer. We were meant to do a plus integer. So right here where these are minuses, rather do a plus. I don't know why I did a minus. My brain's not here. So plus. And then that's how we're gonna pick up keys. And be sure to check out the next episode. We'll be picking up weapons. Okay, so please like and subscribe, and I'll see you then.